Welcome to this guided meditation on loving kindness for beginners. Loving kindness, or metta, is a type of meditation that helps us cultivate feelings of love, compassion, and kindness towards ourselves and others. It can be a powerful tool for reducing stress, anxiety, and promoting positive emotions. Let's begin. Step 1. Find a comfortable position. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to settle into the present moment. Step 2. Start with self-love. Begin by focusing on yourself. Imagine yourself as a small child, innocent and vulnerable. Repeat the following phrases to yourself silently or out loud. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be peaceful. Repeat these phrases several times, allowing yourself to feel the warmth of these intentions in your heart. Step 3. Expand to loved ones. Now, bring to mind someone you love deeply, someone who brings you joy and happiness. Imagine them standing in front of you. Repeat the following phrases to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be peaceful. Visualize them receiving these loving intentions from you, allowing them to feel loved and supported. Step 4. Expand to neutral people. Now, bring to mind someone you feel neutral towards, someone you don't know very well. It could be a coworker or someone you see regularly but don't interact with. Repeat the same phrases to them, imagining them receiving these intentions from you. Step 5. Expand to difficult people. Finally, bring to mind someone who has caused you difficulty or pain. This may be someone you have a strained relationship with or someone who has hurt you in the past. Repeat the same phrases to them, allowing yourself to cultivate compassion and forgiveness towards them. Step 6. Expand to all beings. Now, bring to mind all beings, without exception. Imagine all living creatures receiving these loving intentions from you. Repeat the following phrases. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings be peaceful. Allow yourself to feel the love and compassion spreading out to all corners of the world. Take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Allow yourself to sit with the feelings of love and kindness you have cultivated during this meditation. Remember, loving kindness meditation can be practiced regularly, as a way to promote positive emotions and cultivate compassion towards yourself and others. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation on loving kindness for beginners.